Hello viewers, we have been discussing what is AI model and its each type in a few videos. Today we are going to talk about how to train entity extraction AI model which extracts unstructured data to structured data. Let us open the browser and go to make.powerapps.com and then select your environment. On the left navigation, click build under AI builder. Today we are going to train entity extraction model. That open entity extraction and give us a name. Entity extraction demo. Demo. Click create. So we are going to take the data from note entity, which is called annotation, note, and then selecting a column as a description. Click next. Click analyze. So we have 4 records from note table. We have a pre-built entities already by Microsoft. So these are the pre-built, for example, phone number, postcode, product, those kind of things. If need, we can create our own entity. So we can create a new entity and then I can call it primary people, and then I'll give as an example, let's say stakeholders, and then I will add investors, and then I'll call creditors, so these are the sample text basically. So when we train it, this is going to pre-select automatically, and then we'll have one more. Just give it a try. Stockholders. Okay. Okay, click create. So we created our own entity. It's called primary people. So now you can select the stakeholders and then you can say primary people. If you see here, it is Alex as a person, it's already selected, and Microsoft as an organization, say last week as a date and time, it's a pre-selected, it's pre-built by the AI model, and then still we can create our own entity and then we can say this is what that specifically the text needs to extract it. So we are going to say we are going to take all the 4 rows to train it. Say now next. So we selected the entities or objects needs to collect the information and then click on train. Go to models. So the now model is training. It takes few minutes. Now our model is trained. Go to details. As of now, the model is not published. So we'll test it right now. Copy some text here, and then place it here, and then click analyze text. So now this organization is a pre-built. So now the new one, stakeholders, it's selected as a primary people. And the next step is basically we need to publish it. a place so that we can consume it on our Power Automate. This concludes how to train entity extraction AI model. In the next video, we will discuss how to use or consume this entity extraction AI model using Power Automate. Thanks for watching, and please write your comments down below. See you next time.